Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on the application of Gemini app. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search about Gemini app and we click here. Like this, Gemini. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.